everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, we are going to discuss about the disallowed expenses and the categories that you can see inside the accounting module of Odoo. So what do you mean by disallowed expense? Disallowed expense are the business costs that you cannot fully deduct from your taxable income because of why? Yeah, the tax law says they are not eligible yet. Even though you can simply pay for them in business, the government doesn't let you to reduce your tax with those amounts also. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the video how we can simply set up the disallowed expense categories and how we can use them inside our bill. So for that, let's head over to the accounting module. And there we have our configuration. Under the configuration, there you can see the management, and under that, there you can see disallowed expense category. So simply click on that. And once you have, entered to this disallowed expense category, there you can see the existing disallowed expenses like non-deductible tax, regional tax duties and fees, fine penalties, confiscation of any kind and everything, right? So here I'm not going to create a new one, but I can simply use an existing one, right? So now I'm going to use non-deductible restaurant expense as my example. So let's move to the stating rate. And once you have clicked there, you can simply get a form to create this disallowed expense category. And there we have our code, which is 1208. And there we have category name, which is non-deductible restaurant expense with no rate, right? And under that, you can simply specify the company, and there we have the related account, which is a mandatory, and you should, uh, link an account with this particular category because that's really important inside while we're creating a disallowed expense category. So here I'm putting the expense account as there, and there we have make vehicle required, which is the vehicle becomes mandatory while booking any account more. So if you want that option, you can simply allow or check that. And under that, we have the read tabs. Under that, you can see the start date, disallowed percentage and company as well as. So here I'm going to put a start date. So it will be 25th. And we need to put a disallowed percentage. So it should be 40% here. This is a simple example. Which suppose your company pays 1,000 into a non-deductible restaurant expense for the employees. The tax rule says that the 40% is basically non-deductible. So the 40% is basically what the disallowed expense. Okay. And once I'm complete with that, let's simply save this. So there you can see the rate is uh, filled here. And now let's move to the vendor side and we want to create a bill. So that's a random bill you're going to create. So simply you can understand how to use that inside the bill. So let's create a new one. So there will be a random vendor. So let it be Amy Watson. And once you have done with that, let's specify the bill date here. So here I'm putting the bill date as 25th. And once I'm done with that, we need to specify the account here. So we didn't have any product. So here I'm going to specify the account. For that, let's move to the journal items. And here I'm going to add our account. So defaultly, Odoo is giving us the expense account. So here I'm going to save this. So once you have done with that, let's move to the invoice line, and I'm going to simply put a price for this. So let it be 1,000 rupees. So once I'm done with that, let's simply save this. And I'm moving to the journal items. So there you can see the expense debited as 1,000 and the account payable credited as 1,000, right? So there you can, there you didn't see any type of splitting, right? For that, let's move to the confirm option and we are going to post this bill. Okay. So let's post this. Once you have done with that, also there you can see, you didn't see anything inside the journal items. So there you can't see anything like splitting or deducting or anything. So to see that, we need to move the reporting section. Under the reporting, there we have the management and there you can see the disallowed expense, right? So simply click on there and there you can see our disallowed expense, which is non-deductible restaurant expense. So the rate is 40%. So here you can see a huge amount because our disallowed expenses also included this. Okay, so if you want to specify your date and everything, you can simply custom the date. So here I'm using date, which is August 25th. So still it's like here. So we can simply see everything like expense side and total restaurant expense and everything. So that's all about the video. So you can simply create a disallowed expense category and you can still use them inside a bill. So I hope you all understand this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends and have a nice day. Thank you.